Hi. In plastic windows, it can come through various cracks. In my case, these are cracks in the corners of the window. To eliminate the gap, I will need liquid plastic. Unlike silicone, liquid plastic does not darken and is aesthetically pleasing. Using scissors, I cut off part of the cap so that there is a small hole. Next, I remove the stopper, pierce a hole in the tube with it, screw on the cap, and it is now ready for combat. I put one layer of liquid plastic on the outside. Now, I apply liquid plastic to the inside of the corner for better sealing. My spatula is an old, unnecessary discount card. I use it to remove excess liquid plastic. Now, I also apply a layer on the outside of the top corner. And inside the upper corner, I remove the excess liquid plastic with a spatula. Now I wait for it to dry completely. The plastic dries within 15 to 20 minutes. For better sealing, I used the remaining sealing rubber. It is advisable to put it in the corners, but I had large leftovers and put it around the perimeter of the window. When applying the sealing rubber, I left free spaces for the stipple to pass freely. There was also free space at the top for the window scissors to pass through. There should also be a free passage for the chipala here. Now, cold air in winter or hot air in summer will not pass into the house. There may also be gaps here between the window and the ceiling. We also draw a strip with liquid plastic. We also remove gaps, if any, from below between the windowsill and the window. I use a spatula to remove excess glue residue. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.